What up, everybody? Thanks to everyone who watched that first video. Got some pretty positive feedback. I guess I'm a YouTuber now. Today we're at the DIY in Toledo and gonna try to get some tricks. I got 2 hours to skate. Mitch is gonna be meeting me up here, so hopefully I can throw a mic on him. We usually play a couple games of skate and hopefully learn a new trick today. See how it goes. I should also mention that in the 6 a.m. wake up, I forgot pants, so I'm stuck with these whack ass, well, they're not whack because they're stees, but some very non-normal skate attire until Mitch gets here. Then maybe I'll have a pair of pants if he lets me borrow them. But see if I can warm up before he gets here so we can get some clips in these weird sweatpants that I've never worn skating before. Not even gonna lie, I'm like super bad about stretching. I know how important it is and how much I should do it, but I wind up getting just like too eager to skate and wind up not stretching. So today, because I'm filming this, I'm gonna stretch, but just know I usually don't.
And if anybody does stretch, leave a comment on what you do, what your favorite stretch is, because I seriously, I don't know, I'm always sore, I'm always tired, and have a hard time warming up. They seem to work. Don't really understand, but everybody does them, and they seem to work. I don't know. I can't explain it. I just feel like my legs are tired after jumping rope. I want to pop.
Whoa! See? That's why you gotta have wax, kids. Beautiful 60-degree day in Northwest Ohio with some Steve's wax on the rail. The older I've gotten, the more this trick feels pretty lame. Our back feeble's lame. Should we go back 50? I think back feebles are lame because once you start cross pinching back 50s, you feel like feebles are kind of useless. Ah! Double printed. We got first try for the camera. I'll put it away. We'll take a break and just warm up, but no, you should do something on the rail, dog. Yeah, Mitch.
At first.
Welcome to YouTube, Mitch.
Oh,
What kind of wax you use?
golf wax. Pretty dope.
Damn. Oh boy. Here you go. Oh! Ooh, he did the trick after the line. Oh. Yes. Oh. What do I? Damn.
Ah, King.
Crook. On top. What did I say? What did I fucking say?
Jesus.
I haven't done a 3 flip yet today. Wanna see one? Oh.
The way that his body accordioned and his shoes flew off, and I mean, looked like he must have snapped his neck, snapped his leg. It's unbelievable. I wouldn't have survived, no way.